laying our tile in front of our back door today so that we can continue on with our hardwood. That's about where we're at with our homemade hardwood, and if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. So once we've made it this far, we need to add in our little landing back here so that we can continue into the kitchen. I'll show you where we're at. So in our living room, we've got all of this homemade hardwood floor, and then see, we've gotten to the point where we're gonna meet up with our landing. This tile we found at Lowe's on clearance, and we just have it dry set right now, just so that we could get the pattern how we wanted it, and so we could see what size. So this is not permanent in any way. This was just to see the pattern. So here's what we're working with for this project. This is what the boxes look like that we got from Lowe's. So we've got, it's porcelain tile, natural timber alpine. It's all different colors, as you can see. But let me tell you a secret about clearance at Lowe's and Home Depot. If you go to their clearance section, so this one used to be $329 per square foot, and it was on clearance for $165. Never pay full price for anything in Lowe's or Home Depot's clearance section. Always make them an offer, because the workers are asked to move that stuff quickly. They don't want it taking up their space. So if you make them an offer and it's reasonable, they will usually take it. For this particular tile, we got 5 boxes, which was all they had in clearance. If you take everything they have, they're more likely to give you a deal. We got all of it for $50, which is about $1 a square foot. We've just got your standard Hardie cement board underneath it, and then we will be securing that with regular thin set and screws. For our edging, we're using this aluminum Schluter system right there, which we have used before and we really like it. We think it's pretty slick. You just place it under the tile and it makes a nice edge for the other flooring that will go right up against it right there. For our tile spacing, we're using 3/16 inch tile spacers, also from Lowe's. And for our grout, we are using Timberwolf sanded grout. That's this is the color we chose to go in between all of these. We'll see how it looks. Because we're doing it ourselves, we expect this whole landing project to only cost a little over $100 for all the materials. We shopped clearance, and labor for tile is the big thing whenever you're laying tile. If you hire someone to do it, it's all about the labor because it is time consuming. Okay, we have it completely dry set the way we want it. We know we have the right pattern and the right size of everything. So now we are just taking them off and putting them over there on the blanket in the exact same order so that we can remember what order they go in when we lay them down.